All right, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, and today I don't have a spicy noodle mukbang. I don't have an unboxing time. I've kind of got a weird show and tell.
Weird show and tell. Weird show and tell.
I've been doing stuff with instant noodles for a long time, and I just got something the other day that I wanted to kind of show off because I think it's really neat. But then it got me thinking, I've got some other cool things, and I grabbed a couple of them. I think maybe this might become a regular thing because I've got a lot of instant noodle swag that I've gotten from companies over the years and found on eBay and this and that. And so I thought maybe I'd show you 3 different things that I find to be fascinating and pretty cool. Let's get started with that. First, we have here, oh yes, the coveted Arnold Schwarzenegger cup noodle. I really don't know how old this is. I'm gonna guess really old. He looks pretty young on the cup. So if you can see, Arnold Schwarzenegger. And there he is. I don't know. I'm gonna guess maybe, what was that movie? Total Recall? I don't know. He might be younger than that. I don't know. But they might have photoshopped him up a little bit, but this is pretty old. It's so old that it doesn't even have the standard lid holder anymore. And the cellophane has just gotten all, it doesn't have a smell to it, but yeah. I got this on eBay, and when I got it on eBay, that was like probably close to, probably about 15 years ago. And when I got it then, the seller said, yeah, it's really old. So, yeah, an ancient cup noodle with Arnold Schwarzenegger on it. So that's weird odd item number 1. All right, so there's one trippy thing. Next, look at this fantastic little box that says the white ball. Do you have any clue what this could possibly be? Well, let's crack this thing open. I was given this by a very well-known noodle company from here in the United States when I visited them. They knew that I liked instant noodle swag, and they gave me like a lot of it. I think that's when I was down there mid 2012. That's been a while. It's been 6 years. Holy cow. Well, they gave me this. They actually gave me 2 of them, and I gave one to a friend. This is a certificate of authenticity. Now, what would you need a certificate of authenticity for? What else do we have in here? A little piece of metal, a little genuine Italian leather. And now look, white ball, where'd that thing go? See that? Okay. Are you ready for this? You guys are all just gonna like poo your pants when you see this. Check that out. I can already hear it. Dude, sell that to me, dude. I'm like, no. Yep, this is a Shin Ramen belt buckle, and they gave me a couple of them. It's a genuine Italian leather, ultra thick leather, and it says, yeah, since 1986, Shin Ramen. And this has just been hanging out, you know. I just like looked in my room a little bit ago, and I was like, oh yeah, where's that thing? And here it is. Thank you once again to Nongshim America for sending such a fancy and absolutely unique thing. I like it. I think it's cool. Yeah, no, you can't have it. It's mine. And finally, it brings me to what I got up in Canada on Sunday. So we go up to Canada all the time. We went to this place called Lansdowne Centre in Richmond, BC, and that's the area. We tried to go to other places in Canada, but we just didn't have much luck. So we ended up going to Richmond and found this neat mall called Lansdowne Centre. We'd never been there. So we went to a place called Dollarama, because that was the place I wanted to go, because we always pass by it on the way to markets and things to do up in Richmond. Anyways, you know how in malls there's like, you've got like in the center you'll have like, oh look, it's the Sunglass Hut, or buy cell phone cases, or buy some gifts. And in the buy some gifts department, you know, I'm walking down and I see this cart, and it's like coated in like little Pokemon balloons and Hello Kitty balloons and little clocks, and then plastic noodle bowls. I'm like, what the heck is this? And I look at it for a second and I keep going. And the guy was sitting there, you know, and he was on his phone, so I didn't want to bother him. I'm like, what's that? That's crazy. And so we're walking back, and I'm like, we have to stop. I have to check these things out. I need to get one, whatever it is. It's I've never seen anything like this. Well, this is what it is, and you probably just heard what it does. So basically, this whole thing is plastic, and then it's actually got a Kang Shifu Master Kong instant noodle label around it, but it's also got a slit right here. Here, we'll put this up. It's a piggy bank. Check that out. But it's got like this rubber, you know, the other ones they had dumplings. This one has meat. I'm guessing this is a, I don't know what this is. I'm really unsure, but it looks good. And it kind of resembles that-ish. But yeah, what a weird thing. It was $10, which is kind of, when you think about it, it's just like, that's kind of expensive, dude. But I've never seen anything like this, even in Asia. Look at that. What a strange thing. And it's got some currency in it. Oh yeah, and if you flip it over, see there's the little hole. And you can pop this out and your money comes out. Although that, I don't know. Is that the same width as... Yeah, it's the same width as the slot. Oh look, what do we have here? One vote from the zoo. And this is... Yeah, see, I don't really have a lot of coin that's US anymore. It's always Canadian. That's an American penny. And that's a US quarter, so I don't know. I'm lying to you, but I don't know. But yeah, so a piggy bank, a shin belt buckle, and some probably, I don't know, kind of toxic Arnold Schwarzenegger cup noodles from way back when. So cool. Well, thanks for watching. I might have to do another one of these because I know I've got some more interesting stuff to look at. Well, thanks for watching. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.